Well, I got a new project for the weekend, and it's going to be landscaping. We've lived here for a year and a half, and ever since we've lived here, uh, the missus has wanted the plants ripped out around the house. We did that at our other house. I had a pickup truck and a tow strap, and basically just kind of spent the weekend ripping out plants. This won't be so extensive. There's not so many, and I have Bertha, so that'll make it even easier, I think. But just not all the plants are going to go. I told her to make an inventory, basically, of the plants that she wanted to keep, and so whatever she wants ripped out, I know for a fact this ugly thing right here is going to be one of the goners, but it's like 2, 3, 4 plants all combined. But then again, like I said, I know for sure that one, she wants this one gone. These other ones, I don't know. Like I said, it's whatever she wants ripped out, I'll rip them out. I don't really know if she has a plan yet of what she wants to put in their place. I'm hoping that the removal of the plants creates a hole that can be easily planted back into. But then again, I've got Bertha with the backhoe, so that'll make it not so bad. This retaining wall is something that she has worked on this year and made it look fantastic. It is beautiful. It is. There was a retaining wall here, but the previous owners just didn't. They're about like me. They didn't do landscaping, so so she came in here and redid this entire wall and made it really, really, really nice looking. If you could have seen it before, it didn't look anything like this. It was leaning. It was ugly. It was falling down. It was in bad shape. Again, like I said, don't know which one of these she's going to keep, if any, but that's what I promised her I would do this weekend. So it's only been a year and a half, so I consider that pretty quick. But shouldn't take long at all. It's just that we didn't have Bertha when we first got here, and I don't have a truck anymore. So digging them up by hand, if you notice, they're all in like lava rock, and so getting the shovel in there is not quite impossible, but real close to it. So it wasn't going to be a very fun project, and it'd take quite a while. But since we have the front loader, it has a welded hitch on the front of it, so the tow strap will just simply kind of hook on that, and then I can just raise and rip out plants with it. That's the goal. That's the plan. We'll see how well it goes. I'll be taking some videos while we do this, and you can follow along. Hopefully there's no damage or destruction. Like I said, I'm still learning how to use the thing, but I'll be extra careful since it's by the house. So the next footage will be us ripping out plants. So the project of pulling up plants was a success. Not exactly as successful as I'd hoped. This was 3 plants here that we ripped up with Bertha, and that went successfully. There was 8, I believe 8 plants in all that she wanted ripped up, and only 4 of them Bertha could rip up. The other 2 I hand dug out, and then we backhoed the other whatever. So she's already come in and put these. These are some kind of flowers. I don't know what they're called, but this is going to be the flowers. They come up every year, and that's what they are. She could tell you what they are. I have no idea, but those came up with Bertha. These I had to use the backhoe with Bertha, so I guess that counts, but it didn't just pull right out. Got that one there, this one here, and then while I had Bertha, we pulled up a whatever it is, a railroad tie that was rotten here. I also took the front loader and pushed these little wooden decorative whatevers. They were leaning out, so I took and pushed them, straightened them up, and that looks pretty good. Took and ripped off one of these limbs here that was dead. Come around here. This is where we kind of ran into some issues. The plants were just real thin and spindly, and the toe strap would just slide off of them. And so there was one here that ended up having to hand dig, because if you can see right there, there's electrical, and we actually found the electrical. So I just didn't want to really risk any kind of tragedy out here. So this got hand dug, and then this one here as well was hand dug here, just because I was already doing it. And then there was a very large stump there that I hand dug. So I guess I told you wrong, I don't know. I hand dug 3, and then I backhoed 2, and then we just pulled up with Bertha 3. So yeah, that's 8. But I'd say that's a success. That ends this honeydew for a year and a half, I guess, to pull up these plants. So the project's complete, and as far as planting them, you can see if she wants to put something there, the hole's already made and ready for her. So I'll leave that up to her, whatever she wants to put in these. And if she doesn't want to put anything, then we'll just put some rock over it. It doesn't really matter to me. But anyway, just wanted to do an update on this project. It is closed. Thanks for watching.